What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just want to quick show you these M-LOK rail cover Type 2, and I like these. These are like heat protectors, so it'll keep you from getting burned. I can't install them on anything per the new rules, but I want to show them to you because I have been using them. I really like them, but I think there are some details that are worth pointing out. So the first thing you get here is a set of these covers, and you will notice here that I have 6 pieces, and then I have 6 of these inserts. Depending on how many M-LOK slots you have, you might need a couple of these kits. One of the things that I want to show you is that they are that polymer that you would expect, that ubiquitous MAGPUL polymer. This is obviously FDE here, but one of the things that I didn't know before, and I'm really glad that they have this, is that they have these wings bends around. So on most rails, or most M-LOK rails, they are going to be hexagonal. They're going to have this flat spot and then an edge that falls away. So what this will do here is it will hug one side and then hug that bend on most of those handguards. Now, the other thing I want to show you here is that you have a couple of little prongs that stick out, and the way this attaches is it goes into the M-LOK slot, and then this piece, this insert, will go in here and push those little pieces out and lock it in place. Now, one of the things that I wanted to point out here is because of these little edges that flare down, right? If your side of the rail is wider than this piece right here, these will prevent this edge from sitting nice and flush with your handguard and make it pretty difficult to push these in. So what I've found is that sometimes you need to actually put something down like this, and then you have that slot on there. You have this pressed in your rail, and you almost need something pushing specifically right in the middle. So you push the rail down on there. If it's a narrow, small handguard, small diameter, then it's not an issue. But on some of them, like I said, even if there's a millimeter gap there, this is really hard to get in there because you need that handguard to sit flush there. Like I said, you have to do something to get this middle portion down and then this insert pushed into it. But if you're looking for some protection from heat and you could benefit from a little extra grip, it's going to obviously make it a little bigger, but all these little stipplings there are very nice. Helps make it nice and grippy. Then I think you're going to really like these M-LOK rail cover Type 2s. If you want to pick them up, I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.